What we're also closely monitoring, Sumita, is source-based news that it seems a high-level US contingent is going to be visiting India very soon, and it seems like something's going to move on the India-US trade deal front.
Absolutely, Aisha. So there are anticipations on, this visit, which is likely to happen from the US side next week. And that's essentially what we're given to understand from sources. So this week you have India-Russia summit. And of course, the negotiators from the United States side could be arriving next week to take forward the talks as far as a bilateral trade agreement between Washington and New Delhi is concerned. Remember, the two leaders had decided that the first tranche of the bilateral trade agreement could be completed by fall. At least that's the deadline that they were working with. However, in between, there have been some issues with respect to agri, dairy, GM crops, given the fact that India has not opened up its market for the agri sector. As far as any kind of other FTAs are concerned, we've not been very open given the fact that we want to protect our national interests. Now, the last time when we spoke with the Commerce Secretary a couple of weeks back, he essentially stated that all the chapters are closed. There are no new issues that are emerging as far as that trade deal is concerned. However, it really remains to be seen on when that gets sealed. So that is going to be, sort of a big decision. When that comes about, that remains to be seen. Given the fact that President Donald Trump has also been sort of negotiating on the Russia-Ukraine war side, there have been efforts to bring that war to a halt. So that is also a priority. This trade deal, definitely this is going to be in a package form. There's going to be a mini deal or a package of sorts that could be announced. And then, of course, there are parallel negotiations that are going on as far as the BTA is concerned. That will take time in getting concluded.
Okay. Thank you so much, Sumita, for that.